Okay, so that means that it's at 180 degrees. We've set the press for 60 seconds. Now to get the t-shirt. Now I'm going to lay the t-shirt onto the heat press. Sorry about the beeping. And get that centred. Now that's quite flat, so I don't see the need to pre-press the t-shirt. We get our printer, our transfer that we've printed earlier. And I'm going to place that onto the t-shirt around and about where I think it should go. We flip this back around into place. And press go. Oh, what's happened there is the temperature has started to drop. Just going to check that the transfer hasn't moved, which it has. Okay. But even after that little bit of time, we've already got a print. Now what I'm going to do, and this is something that you can do if you're practicing with different substrates at home, so you don't waste a whole t-shirt. I'm going to pick up my transfer off the floor. Now that transfer still has a lot of colour left in it, so what I'm going to do, just for the purpose of the demonstration, is I'm going to put the bottom of that t-shirt under the press, and I'm going to press that again. So you'll be able to see the difference between the two presses. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the transfer back on. Then I'm going to swing the heat press into place, place it down and press start straight away. Great. So we release the heat press, remove the transfer, which as you can see this time is a lot more faint than previously. And then you can see the difference in the two transfers between the 60 seconds and the couple of seconds. The bottom image is a bit more vibrant.